Alright, this is the second video, Pinhole camera, POE or lab. In the first video we predicted what the image characteristics of the flame would be. If we used a pinhole, we predicted it would be larger and upside down. Now we're going to actually do it. We actually don't have a pinhole camera here, but what we have instead, just move the flame out of the way, is just a piece of cardstock, and if you look right there, we've got a hole poked in it, and I'm just using a textbook actually, just propped up so the back cover is up there, and we're going to use that as our screen. Okay, and we're going to use the flame very carefully here. So let's try it. If you put the pinhole camera there, and this is going to be a little bit difficult for the camera to pick up here, but right there you got a little dot of light. I can see it quite clearly. That dot of light is not actually a dot of light. If I could show you, look at the lab results. The image kind of looks like that. Okay, kind of the shape of a heart, but not quite. So this is actually what we're seeing when we look at the cardstock camera or pinhole camera. So if we bring it close again and bring the camera closer to the screen, right there is what you see. Okay. If we change the distance, if I get really close to the screen, that dot gets quite small. If I pull it away, you can see that it's getting larger. So closer to the flame, image gets larger. Further from the flame, the image gets smaller. Okay. Once you have recorded that information on the second sheet or the second page of your lab handout, which is right here, you want to record the information there. It's smaller upside down what the size of the image is. Go ahead and write down as well in this box here what happens to the pinhole camera as it gets closer to the light. What happens to the image? Sorry, it gets bigger, as we just said. If the pinhole camera gets further away, the image gets smaller. Once you've done that, then go ahead and answer questions 1 through 4 on the last page of your handout.